Welcome back to Pure Science Education, and this is the video in addition to the foundation predicted question video that was already released yesterday, and on popular demand I've now created another additional video for the higher tier and the triple tier. So please do go and watch the foundation tier and then in addition watch this video. So, like emphasizing, please do revise all content because these are just predictions, so anything can come up. So, ionic equation contains ions in the formula only. So, for example, if you had magnesium, let's say it's a solid, and then you had a copper in some kind of solution which was aqueous, what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to do the charges. And what happens is magnesium becomes an ion, and then the copper will become a solid. So you're separating. So it could be that you started off with magnesium sulfate, for example. So, but the ion is magnesium that you're interested in an ionic reaction. Oxidation is loss or gain of electron, and the quickest way to remember that is oil rig. Oil is oxidation loss, reduction is gain. It also means if I'm adding oxygen, it's oxidation. If I'm taking away, it's reduction. The required practical in here is making salts, and you could be for the whole practical. In the classroom, you make copper sulfate salts, which are blue crystals, and you will have to explain how you get to that. Now, remember when you're explaining the method, you got metal oxide or carbonate which is added in excess in an acid, so you will have to then filter it, evaporate half the content in a water bath, and then leave the rest to crystallize. And if they ask you to make dry crystals, don't forget to use a filter paper to pat them dry in the end. You got neutralization in the pH scale, where you just need to know the pH scale runs from 1 to 14, different colors, and they normally ask you how will you neutralize stomach acid or how will you neutralize acidic soil. So remember you need to put in an alkali and to neutralize that. Typically we ask a definition of a strong acid and a weak acid. A strong acid is an acid that is fully ionized or fully dissociated, and weak acid is partially ionized or dissociated because it's a reversible reaction. Also, they can ask you how the pH scale changes depending on the H plus ion. So as the H plus ions decrease by a factor of 10, the pH increases by a factor of 1. All the best. Thank you.